In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make writing curved here in Canva. So I have this text just here and it says curved writing. Now it's really simple to actually curve this because of Canva's features. So what we want to do is click onto the text box to enable the toolbar up the top just here. Then we want to click onto effects and then we can come over here where we have all these different effects. Now if we scroll down, we can see just here and under shape where it says curve. If we click on that, that's going to curve the writing. Then if we scroll down once more, we're going to get this bar. Now with this bar, the more we increase it, the more the writing gets curved. And if we decrease this and go the other way on the bar, we can see that curve goes the opposite direction, just like that. So let's put it at a happy medium round about there. But as you can see, it's really simple to make writing curved here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.